this thing? I cannot protect myself. I tried. Jesus, why don't you take me in the heaven? You say there is Garden of Eden in the heaven. Why don't you put me in that Eden? I will serve. I don't have selfishness. Who's this one? Jesus. Who gave you my number? I was there confusing. Jesus, why don't you put me in that Eden? I'm not good. Now I'm hungry. I don't have something to eat. I want to go in the heaven. In the heaven. When? Now. Where are you now? I'm not saying you. In the Bible, you said you are everywhere. Now you hide yourself. Where are you? Are you going to take me now? How's am I now, eh? Hey, Amu, attack me. Where are you? I have it. Rope is there. To first kill myself? Here. Jesus, you are joking. I don't want to kill myself. You want to take me in the heaven. You want me to first die. You want to first kill myself and then you take me in the heaven. If you don't want to take me, I'll be in the world.
You are joking.